Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.